Hello everybody. Today we are going to discuss about the example problem 2.2. It is given in your page number 58. In this problem, they have given two charges 3 into 10 power minus 8 coulomb and minus 2 into 10 power minus 8 coulomb are located 15 centimeter apart. So you know very well it is a dipole. At what point on the line joining the two charges is the electric potential 0? Take the potential at infinity to be 0. Here the solution is, let us take the origin O at the location of the positive charge. So the first one is positive charge and the point A is negative charge, that is minus Q. The line joining the two charges is taken to be the x-axis. The negative charge is taken to be on the right side of the origin. It is given in your book. So O is the origin and A is the negative charge point. So here A is given, that is minus 2 into 10 power minus 8 coulomb, and the positive charge Q is given, that is 3 into 10 power minus 8 coulomb. So these two charges are separated at a distance 15 centimeter. Let P be the required point on the x-axis where the potential is 0. If x is the x coordinate of P, obviously x must be positive. In this case, there is no 0 possibility of potentials due to the two charges adding up to 0 for this case. So if x lies between O and A, we have the formula is 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q1 minus Q2 is equal to 0, where x is in centimeter, that is, so see the first equation 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 into 3 into 10 power minus 8 by x into 10 power minus 2. We have to convert it into meter, and minus 2 into 10 power minus 8 by 15 minus x is there, into 10 power minus 2 also is there, and is equal to 0. If you equate all those things, what will happen? The denominator will go to the next side. If you multiply all those things, you will get 0. So the remaining things alone will be there. So 3 by x will be there in the first term, minus 2 by 15 minus x is there. The 10 power minus 2 and the 10 power minus 2 will become 0 if you equate with 0. So which gives x is equal to 9 centimeter. See the next condition. If x lies on the extended line OA, the required 3 by x minus 2 by x minus 15 equal to 0. So here cross multiplication, and 3 into x minus 15 minus 2 into x is equal to 0. Then you have to multiply inside. So 3x minus 45 minus 2x is equal to 0. Then you will get x is equal to 45 centimeter. So from that formula, we got two value of x. One is 9 centimeter and one more is 45 centimeter. So here the electric potential is 0 at 9 centimeter and 45 centimeter that we found, away from the positive charge on the side of negative charge. Note that the formula for potential used in calculation required choosing potential to be 0 at infinity. So in such case, we can find the value of x. Now we are moving to the second example, that is 2.3. they have given two different figures. Figure A and figure B is there. In this figure A and figure B, they have given two different charges. In A, they have given positive charge. In B, they have given negative charge. So with the help of arrow mark, we can identify the charges also. So based on the picture, they have given 5 questions. The first one is give the signs of the potential difference Vp minus Vq and Vb minus Va. The second one is give the sign of the potential energy difference of a small negative charge between the points Q and P, A and B. The third one is give the sign of the work done by the field in moving a small positive charge from Q to P. And fourth one is give the sign of the work done by the external agency in moving a small negative charge from B to A. And the fifth one is does the kinetic energy of a small negative charge increase or decrease in going from B to A. So see the first one. As we know very well before that, V is indirectly proportional to R. So the first case is Vp is greater than Vq because the positive charge is there. When it is moving from the center point to outward, in the center point you may get more energy or more potential, and in the second point, that is Q, in that you will get less potential. So in order to find out the potential difference, we are going to subtract from the point P minus Q. So you will get the positive sign for the first one. Vb is less negative than Va. Why? Because in the second case the minus is there. So just identify the B is less than. When it is moving towards the minus, the potential is increasing. So the A value will be more than B. So in such case, what will happen? The Vb minus Va. So the positive sign will be there in that case also. So in the second question, we are going to test with a test charge. So a small negative charge will be attracted towards the positive charge. In the first picture A, you are going to keep the negative charge. When it is brought near to the positive charge, what will happen? It will attract towards it. So it is moving from the higher potential energy to a lower potential energy. Therefore the sign will be positive between Q and P. So similarly, already we know the potential energy of A is greater than potential energy of B. So in such a case, the positive sign will be there. In the third question, give the sign of the work done by the field is moving a small positive charge from Q to P. In such case, the external agency is moving a positive charge towards the positive charge. So in such case, what will happen? The repulsive force will be acted here. So my negative symbol will be there in the work done. So in the next question, give the sign of the work done by the external agency in moving a small negative charge from B to A. So in this case, it is moving in the straight line towards the negative charge. So definitely it would be a positive one. So the last question is, does the kinetic energy of a small negative charge increase or decrease is going from B to A? In this case, the repulsive force will be acted here. So the velocity of the charge will be decreased definitely when it is going from B to A.